What if 3 simple things in your kitchen could unclog your arteries, give you tons of energy, and keep your heart strong for years? Welcome to HealthNest, the place where we share easy, science-backed health tips to help you feel amazing every day. Today, we're talking about a powerful mix of 3 ingredients, garlic, ginger, and lemon, that can boost your blood flow, clear out artery gunk, and make you feel younger. This isn't just a drink, it's a simple habit that could save your life. Stick around till the end for 2 bonus tips that'll make this even more effective for you. Heart disease is a big deal in the USA. Someone passes away from it every 36 seconds. That's scary, but here's the good news. You don't need fancy pills or expensive treatments to fight back. These 3 ingredients are cheap, easy to find, and sitting in most American kitchens right now. When you mix them the right way, they work together to clean your arteries, get your blood moving, and give you energy you might not have felt in years. This isn't some weird health fad. It's backed by real science, and we're breaking it down super simply so everyone can understand. Before we start, hit that subscribe button and tap the bell so you never miss a HealthNest tip to live healthier. In the comments, tell us, type 1 if you're ready to try this tonic, or 0 if you're curious but not sure yet. Your thoughts help us make videos that you love. Also, grab a pen or your phone to jot down this recipe. It's that good. Let's dive into the first ingredient, something you probably have in your kitchen that's like a superhero for your heart. Number 1. Garlic. The artery. Cleaner garlic isn't just for pizza or pasta. It's a powerhouse for your heart. Imagine Mary, a 65-year-old retired nurse from Ohio. She was always tired, her hands and feet were cold, and she got out of breath, just walking to her car. Her doctor said her arteries were starting to clog, and she was scared about starting strong medicines. That's when she learned about garlic. Not the pills you see in stores, but fresh garlic from the grocery store, used the right way. Garlic has a special compound called allicin. When you crush garlic and let it sit for 10 minutes, this compound wakes up and starts working like a natural cleaner for your blood vessels. It opens them up so your heart doesn't have to work as hard and your blood flows better. A 2016 study in the Journal of Nutrition showed garlic can lower blood pressure and even start to clear out artery plaque. That's like unclogging a pipe so water can flow smoothly. For Mary, it was simple. Every morning, she crushed 2 garlic cloves, waited 10 minutes, and swallowed them with warm water before eating anything. After 2 weeks, her hands felt warmer, she had more energy, and she could walk longer without puffing. By month 2, her cholesterol was down, and her doctor asked, "What medicine are you taking?" She smiled and said, "Just garlic. Garlic also fights inflammation. That's the stuff that makes your arteries stiff and causes problems over time. Plus, it helps your immune system stay strong and might even protect your brain from things like memory loss." Here's the HealthNest. Trick: crush 2 or 3 garlic cloves, wait 10 minutes, and take them with a glass of warm water first thing in the morning. The taste is strong, but it's worth it for a healthier heart. Worried about garlic breath? Chew a little parsley or mint afterward. It helps. Garlic is cheap, easy, and right there in your kitchen, ready to work for you. Now, garlic cleans the way, but the next ingredient is like a rocket booster for your blood. Let's talk about something that'll get your energy soaring. Number 2. Ginger. The energy in circulation. Booster ginger is that spicy root you might use in cooking, but it's so much more than that. Think about Tom, a 68-year-old truck driver from Texas. He felt sluggish, his knees ached, and he was winded. After short walks, his blood tests showed inflammation and slow blood flow, making him feel older than he was. He didn't want a cabinet full of pills, so we talked about ginger. Fresh ginger, not the powdered stuff. Ginger has 2 key compounds, gingerol and shogaol. These act like a gentle nudge to your blood vessels, helping them relax and open up. That means more oxygen gets to your heart, brain, and even areas that affect your confidence and energy in daily life. A 2019 study in the Journal of Cardiovascular Pharmacology found ginger lowers blood pressure and makes arteries more flexible. It also helps prevent blood clots, which is super important for avoiding heart attacks or strokes. Tom started with a small piece of ginger, about the size of your thumb, sliced thin and steeped in hot water like tea. He sipped it every morning, before breakfast. Within a week, his hands and feet felt warmer and his headaches were gone. By week 3, he was walking a mile without stopping, and his energy was back. He said, "I feel like I'm 50 again." Ginger also helps with digestion, soothes sore joints, and can even ease nausea if you're feeling off. It's like a Swiss Army knife for your health. HealthNest tip: peel a 1-inch piece of fresh ginger, slice it thin, and steep it in hot water for 5 minutes. Sip it slowly on an empty stomach. If you don't like the taste, add a tiny bit of honey. Just a little. This simple habit can wake up your body and get your blood moving. Garlic cleans, ginger boosts, but the third ingredient is like a shield for your heart. Let's see why this everyday fruit is a game changer. Number 3. Lemon. The blood purifier and protector lemon is more than something you squeeze into water. It's a secret weapon for your arteries. Picture Susan, a 70-year-old librarian from Florida. She had high blood pressure, felt foggy all the time, and her stomach was always upset. She thought lemons were just for flavor, but when she started using them the HealthNest way, everything changed. Lemons are packed with vitamin C and special compounds called polyphenols. These protect your blood vessels from damage that builds up over time, like rust in a pipe. They also help your liver flush out toxins and can even break down cholesterol stuck in your arteries. A 2022 study in the International Journal of Molecular Sciences showed that lemon juice can reduce artery clogging buildup, which helps prevent heart attacks and strokes. Susan started squeezing 1 fresh lemon into warm water every morning. After a few weeks, her blood pressure dropped, her digestion got better, and she felt clear-headed for the first time in years. She said, "It's like my body's running smoother." Lemons also make your skin glow, boost your immune system, and help your body absorb the garlic and ginger better. It's like the perfect teammate in this health trio. HealthNest trick: squeeze 1 whole fresh lemon, not the bottled stuff, into warm water and drink it first thing in the morning. It's super easy and makes a big difference. Want to make it fun? Add a slice of lemon to your glass for a little extra zing. Now that we've got the 3 ingredients, let's put them together into a simple recipe that's easy to follow and works like magic. Number 4. The HealthNest Heart Tonic Recipe. This isn't just a drink. It's a morning habit that tells your body, let's get healthy. We shared this with Mike, a 66-year-old retiree from California who was fed up with supplements that didn't help. He wanted something easy that actually worked. After a month of this tonic, his energy was up, his blood pressure was down, and he felt sharper than ever. Here's how to make it. Step 1. Take 2 to 3 fresh garlic cloves and crush them with a knife, or garlic press. Let them sit for 10 minutes. This wakes up the lichen that cleans your arteries. Step 2. Peel a 1-inch piece of fresh ginger and slice it thin or grate it. Step 3. Squeeze the juice of 1 fresh lemon into a cup. Step 4. Mix all 3 in 1/2 cup of warm water, not too hot or it'll weaken the nutrients. Stir it well or blend it if you want it smooth. Sip it slowly on an empty stomach before you eat anything. If you don't like bits in your drink, strain it through a small sieve. The warm water helps your body soak up the goodness, and doing it on an empty stomach gets it straight to your arteries and heart. If your doctor says it's okay, you can have another glass in the evening, especially if you're dealing with high blood pressure or circulation issues. This takes just 5 minutes a day, and you can find these ingredients at any grocery store. In the USA, Walmart, Kroger, you name it. It's cheap, simple, and way better than chasing expensive pills. HealthNest promise: Stick with this, and your body will thank you. Wondering how soon you'll feel different? Let's talk about what happens when you make this tonic a daily habit. In number 5, what to expect. Your body's journey to better health. This tonic isn't a magic pill. It's a steady, natural way to help your body heal. Think of it like watering a plant. Small daily care leads to big growth. We saw this with Linda, a 71-year-old teacher from New York. She had high cholesterol, low energy, and felt like her body was slowing down. She started this tonic, a bit unsure at first, but kept at it. Here's what most people notice, week by week. Week 1. Your hands and feet might feel warmer because blood is flowing better. You'll have a bit more energy and won't feel as tired by lunchtime. Linda noticed she wasn't napping as much. Week 2 to 3. You might sleep better, think clearer, and have less bloating or stomach trouble. Linda could walk to the park without getting winded, and her headaches were gone. Week 4 and beyond. Blood pressure starts to drop, cholesterol levels improve, and you feel stronger overall. Linda's doctor was shocked at her better blood work. No drugs, just this tonic and consistency. The key is doing it every day. Clearing arteries and calming inflammation takes time, but it happens. A 2023 study showed that these ingredients together can improve circulation by 25% over a month. You're not just drinking a tonic. You're giving your heart and body a chance to shine. This isn't about numbers on a test. It's about feeling alive again, walking without puffing, thinking clearly, and having energy to enjoy life. Maybe it's playing with your grandkids, gardening, or just feeling good in your own skin. That's what HealthNest is all about. Simple steps for a healthier you. Bonus tips to make it even better. Want to take this tonic to the next level? Here are 2 extra tips. Add a short walk. After your tonic, go for a 10-minute walk around your block. A 2023 study showed light exercise boosts the tonic's benefits by 20%, getting your blood pumping even more. Track your progress. Write down how you feel each week in a notebook or phone app. Seeing small wins, like more energy or better sleep, keeps you motivated. Studies show tracking habits makes you 40% more likely to stick with them. Why this matters for you? Here's the truth. Your body wants to be healthy. It's fighting for you every day, but it needs a little help. Heart disease might be common in the USA, but it doesn't have to be your story. These 3 ingredients, garlic, ginger, lemon, are like a team of superheroes in your kitchen. They're not hard to find, they don't cost much, and they're easy to use. But they need you to show up every day. At HealthNest, we believe small changes lead to big results. This tonic is proof. Start tomorrow morning. Get your garlic, ginger, and lemon ready tonight. Make it a habit, like brushing your teeth. You're not just drinking a tonic, you're telling your body, I'm here for you. And trust us, your body will answer back. So, HealthNest family, what do you think? Are you ready to try this 3-ingredient tonic? Drop a 1 in the comments if you're in, or a 0 if you want to learn more first. Share which ingredient you're most excited about. Garlic, ginger, or lemon. Hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the bell for more easy health tips every week. Let's make health simple, fun, and real together. See you in the next video.